G'day, thanks for joining me. Just wanted to show you a problem I've had with my Hubsan h109s. I've had a few crashes, mostly my fault. And a bird strike, which was a barrel of fun. But the constant problem I've had with every accident has been these mounting points where the screws go through to hold the motor in place keep breaking. And as you can see here, I've had one break there, and on this one, all four. And you end up with a handful of little tiny round bits of plastic that are kind of useless. So I looked at this and thought, well, this is just merely a design fault, and surely there's a better way of mounting the motor to the body of the quad. So I came up with all these different ideas. I was going to put a sheet of carbon fibre in. Very difficult though, drilling all the holes, shaping it right, difficult. So the solution I came up with I thought was pretty simple, which is always the way I like to try and do things. I bought a packet of 16mm M3 bolts. Same size thread as for the motor, and they're just the right length to go through the body of the quad into the body of the motor without interfering with the motor's rotation. Very important. So the method is we put the motor in place, hold it there, a washer, straight through. If I get the thing, and there it goes. You can see, holds the motor, no problem. So we'll speed this up. Okay, so there you have it. It's pretty simple. 4 16mm M3 screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them, washers, motor, well and truly held. Now the entire body of the drone is holding the motor in place. Hopefully it's going to work a lot better. In light accidents, the whole lot might actually handle it a lot better than it has been. There's no way of saving your propellers other than with the guards, but this is what I've done to the drone. I'm now on my third body, and let's take it out in the field and see if it works. And here we are outside, and before we take off I just thought I'd show you the bolts and washers in the engine mounts. You can see them there, and there we go. You'll also note that I have the propeller guards on. The h109s X4 Pro has been a naughty boy, and he's going to keep those on until he shows he's not. Okay, so we've done the compass calibration. We now have 12 satellites, so a slight breeze blowing from in front of us. You can see across the lake there. Very, very slight though. So let's arm the quad and see what happens. All starts up well. Let's give it a little bit of power. As you can see, I don't have the gimbal on at the moment. I just thought I'd fly the drone just on its own, just to see what it would do. All the balance seems good. Let's just... Not too bad. It's flying. It is in the air. As you can see, there it is. She's drifting a bit. Considering it is on GPS hold, it's going to toilet bowl by the look of it. I know, it's calmed down. So we can turn it a little bit this way. You can see. Where is it? Can you see it? There he is. It's doing a little bit of a toilet bowl. Might just take it out of GPS and back into it. There we go. Just trying to trim it up a little bit, see if I can make it stay still. It is flying. All in all, not too bad. Can I make it do a... There we go, it'll yaw. Uh-oh. And we've had a crash. We've had a little look over it, everything seems fine, and let's try again, shall we? And let's arm the bird and see what it does. It all sounds good. Now, this time we'll get the bird in your field of view. So this time it seems to be flying a lot better. It's much more stable. Perhaps the calibration just wasn't quite good enough before, but now it's beautiful. That's hovering really well. Looks fantastic. I'll just send it out a little bit and off to its right, or our right, its left. Yeah. We'll move the camera for you. I'll send it over to us a little bit. Back the other way. Seems to be doing all that really well. This is the first time I've ever flown this quad with the guards on. It seems to be flying all right. I'll just send it back out a bit. Move it that way. It's doing beautiful. Nice little bit of a rotation there. That's when it seems to lose its bearing, when it's yawing. It drifts a bit. And there goes that toilet bowl again. Alright, let's bring it down. It was nervous, but it actually did it.